This conference will now be recorded.
Sangeeta, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, it's yesterday I just created one of the VM 2008. It's got loading around 2 hours. Okay,
Uh-huh.
suddenly it got corrupted.
Oh.
so so that's why I don't want to go for 2010. I just going for 2010. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now Windows 10. Okay, just
Mm-hmm.
one VM, right? How to install the tools you want to know, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So that we can go for Windows 10. Okay.
Okay.
So now I just going for updating the update manager. How to do that means we need to map that vCenter and download service and click on this thing.
Okay.
MS.
Hold on. Let me write it down. This is a update manager.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just click on install. It will automatically it will process.
Okay.
So it will be installing. It's a default. Okay. Normally they will be creating in a separate machine, not in
Mm-hmm.
the vCenter machine in real time. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, people usually do the separate VM. Is that what you?
Correct. Separate VM because it's a patching and all the thing it need to be
Oh, okay.
downloaded, right? So the again the database will be need to be created for this, correct? So
Mm-hmm.
we cannot be able to make two database in a single machine. Once it's
Correct.
corrupted,
Yes.
totally it will be went off. So they never get the chance to do like that.
But didn't
Uh,
vCenter use the newer style, the VMware database, not the SQL database anymore?
no, if you want, whatever you wish, okay, we
Mm-hmm.
can able to do that one.
Oh, so we need to do server?
Correct.
Oh.
So Windows 2012 and need to install the update manager
Mm-hmm.
and parallelly they will be creating the SQL or Oracle or vProgress, whatever you want, you can
Mm-hmm.
able to do.
Oh, okay.
So some of the company they have the license with the Oracle, some of the company they have got SQL. So we cannot able to tell that this is a good one or something, right?
Right.
So the
Yeah.
company has to get it. Oh, we have done it Windows download service yesterday. Okay, I need to remove this one and need to install the server actually. So I just remove it. Okay.
Okay. You needed a higher end processor. This is i3.
This one, no, it's i5, I think. At least we just got 32 GB RAM, I think so. The RAM is enough.
Need the
Sorry,
SSD drive. It's i3 processor.
yeah. It's actually 32 GB RAM.
Yeah,
The
you got
RAM is
enough
enough.
RAM, but the SSD drive will help you install faster.
No, you're too costly right here.
Yeah.
So we need to give the administrator. So vCenter is the 10.113, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the password means? India 23. We need to give that one. Next. So the vCenter and it will ask for 120 GB and install. Because we are just using for all the things, right? ESSO, CAD, vCenter, one at a time.
How much the SSD drive cost there?
Yeah, too costly here. I'm not sure because I never go and went that SSD, but it's
Uh-huh.
too costly. Because in USD, thanks to India, some of the offer they will give, right? Here there is no offer. That's a problem. In India, no offers. It's all costly. How is the market there? It's
The
good
SSD
or
came down.
no.
SSD the price
Market,
market
market.
the
Yeah,
stock market.
no general market. I not even to stock market.
General, I mean the economy wise, it's a little bit down right now.
Oh,
But the stock market, like I think it went down like almost 1,800, 300, over 1,000 points, 1,200 or
okay.
1,300 points in
Due to
last week.
Trump,
So
Trump
yep,
or
it's also the I think they're planning to increase the uh, rates, mortgage rates,
oh,
and on a bank rates and mortgage rates. So that's another thing.
okay, great. So the job is too tough for us in India.
Yeah, I know. That's it's even here. He's making everybody's going through the hell now.
Oh, because next time also he'll be coming, right? I think so.
Huh?
Next time also he'll be become as a thing.
You don't
Second
know.
time
We don't know.
also.
No, I don't think so. I don't think they will elect him. People learn, but you never
Oh,
know.
so we never know that the people will because there is no opposition party, right?
You know, I mean, there was a
Ah,
thing, but um,
mm,
that's
okay,
I
we need
think.
to go for VMware vSphere. So go to plugin. So
Mm-hmm.
the plugin here it is there. Manage plugin. Once you click on this, you can able to see VMware Update Manager. So just click on that. It will download.
Okay.
It's like a vSphere
Mm-hmm.
client. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now I think the machine, the ISO has been deployed. Just run it. Okay. Yeah, it's done. So
So
we
where
can able
did you get the client from? The update manager client?
not. I just tell you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can go to plugin always. Okay.
Right, yeah.
Plugin. If you go plugin, it will ask for the this bottom. It's download. Okay. Once you
Mm-hmm.
click on download, it automatically it pop up this window.
Oh, okay. Okay. And you installing that on the vCenter? The
Correct. Correct. It will be pop up.
mm,
Is here right? So it's download. I just made it. So automatically it's pop up. Okay.
mm-hmm.
You can able to see right installing the
Yeah, yeah,
download.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now it's integrated now.
Mm-hmm.
You can able to see this
Yeah,
enabled.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see the update manager also.
Oh, the tab. Okay.
That's it. So now I just going for creating a new VM.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's deployed. So we need to go for this thing. So 4 GB of sorry 3 GB RAM you can able to give. It will be very fast.
Mm-hmm.
So ISO. That's it. So it is moving up. So okay, I just delete this VM. So it's nothing. Okay, now each VM we need to create that VM kernel vMotion. Okay, vMotion is nothing but live migration. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in this case the OS is goes down. Okay, right click and
Mm-hmm.
maintenance mode you just need to put. Okay, once it's put,
Hold.
automatically
Okay. So when you how you just right click and put it in a maintenance mode?
that's it. Once you put that maintenance mode, automatically this host, all the VM will be migrated to the rest of the host. Okay. So how it's happen, right? We need to create one VM kernel. Okay. So how to do that means in each host we need to create one IP for the vMotion. Okay. That is a
VMotion. Okay.
separate neck. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just
Got
click on that properties, then create add in that VM kernel option, click on that and click next. You can able to see this option vMotion. So
Can you
just
go back again? Go slowly because
yeah,
this is
sure.
very important thing. And I go all the
Just
way. Where did you got it from? Okay. All
again
right.
all
So
vSwitch and just going into the vSwitch.
configuration, networking configuration. Right click.
Correct, correct. So the network properties add in that port group we should be selecting the virtual machine, right? Now we are just choosing the VM kernel.
Go back again. I didn't know where you just clicked
No,
on a add.
add,
Okay.
add,
Add.
that's it. Add. That's it.
Okay.
Same,
Add.
where
Okay.
you
Oh,
going
add
for
virtual machine or add.
correct.
Okay.
Same thing
Oh,
we
you
need to select
selected vSwitch here or
we switch we switch
okay.
properties. You will be getting the screen and add and
Mm-hmm.
VM kernel. Again
Okay.
nest and I just giving the name as vMotion and tick on this. Okay. And then click next. It will ask for the IP address. Okay. Each host we need to give the IP address actually.
Can you go back? I'm writing it like it's you're going fast.
Sure.
Use
No,
this
it's optional.
port group for vMotion. Oh, okay.
It's automatically there. We need to tick mark. That's it. If you have VLAN ID for that vMotion, we have to give it here. Otherwise,
Oh,
none.
okay. Okay. You
Just
usually people I have a separate subnet for
yeah.
vMotion for
Always they will go for separate
everybody.
subnet.
Mm-hmm.
Just next, we need to give
Mm-hmm.
the IP address
Mm-hmm.
and click OK. Next, and it will finish. That's three option. It will be there. Okay. One is add. We need to select the VM kernel. Okay. Next,
Mm-hmm.
we need to choose that label. Next, we need to give the IP address.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we need to give the finish.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's done. Okay, the VM kernel is available here. So you can see the VMK0 is a management and
Mm-hmm.
VMK1 is a vMotion. Again, we need to same thing. We have to do it for another host.
Oh,
Configuration,
I see. Mm-hmm.
network, and again vSwitch and properties. Same label should be there. Okay, nothing should be different one.
The same
Again, I
IP address too.
no, it's a different, but the label
Oh,
should
I
be
see.
same. Label should be
Oh.
same, but we just giving the separate IP address for each host.
Mm-hmm.
It should not be the same. So we have created this thing. Let me check how much percentage is the.
And that was right there. Two about you usually.
We need to select India, right?
Oh, that's why you usually select India. It's like here, that is in United States.
Uh, for you is US, for me is India. We can give, but there is no issue. Okay, let me give that. So it's a test machine, right? Or there is nothing. You can select whatever you want. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think it will be completed. Okay, let me go to that update manager. You can see this thing. So just go to here. Okay, home page. Below, top below, it shows that update manager, right? Previously it will not be available. Once you make it as plugin, it
Mm-hmm.
will be shown here. Okay, you can see the patch repository. This is the patch. You can able to import all the patches. Okay, just click import. If you have any patch, you just put import and browse and select the patch, and it will be available here. Okay, and the ESS image, if you have ESS image for upgrade or something, right,
Mm-hmm.
you need to choose here import image. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you need to browse and we need to select the image, what image you are going to select. I think this has been mapped. You got it right, where you have to go to option.
Mm-hmm.
So one is ESS source image we need to deploy here, patch repository we need to deploy here. Okay, how to create the baseline means we have to go to this option baseline and group. Always they will go for baseline, create, and you can see this baseline option. One is patch, one is extension, one is host upgrade. So always they will go for the patch because normally the patch is one of the thing, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we'll be choose only the patch. Okay. So this is the thing, and once it's done, right, we'll clone template and something. So that is why it's waiting for me. Just a minute. Yeah, it's very fast.
I'm gonna fall asleep now.
What happened?
It's my time, bedtime.
Oh, you'll be sleeping early normally.
No, I
Okay.
usually go to bed at 9.
Oh, that's why you just always will be okay. Because once it's done right, I just clone template. That's only a snapshot. This is the three thing I can able to show you. That's it. That's why I just waiting for you. Yeah, done it. Cover all the things. Yesterday, Windows 2008, it's taking 2.5 hours to at least for 60%.
Wow.
So for me, I just want to because I just go off right.
Mm.
For 15 minutes, it's 45 minutes. Okay, great. Another 15 minutes, it will be over. At least it is very fast as of now.
Fast. This is very slow, my friend. Mine, it takes only 5 minutes to 3 minutes, and I install the whole server, Windows 2012. I have a all flash drive, SSD drive. So,
For you, it's totally different. For me, it's totally different, right? Yeah, we are not using the flash drive, right? Here, that's a
mm,
problem. Still, the technology is not came here. Is there, but they are not using it. Only the laptop and
mm,
only the SSD has came actually.
mm.
What type of alarm you are just having it in your environment? Any if it goes down or something, Tivoli or some other?
Solar wind.
Oh, solar wind. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. It's very good or not? Because
it's
now
good.
here,
It's good, but the thing is, all of them are like I had a solar wind, then I had one of the PRTG, that free one, then
uh,
Spiceworks I use. So I
so a
have a
lot
three
of
different
tools.
one.
Oh,
Yeah, but the solar wind is the one I use for alarm. It tells me whenever the host goes down or how host has a critical issue, or any of
okay.
the guests that goes down, it'll tell me, alert me. There's a lot of things you can monitor, but I don't monitor everything, other than the like whenever the whole guest operating goes down or the host has a issue, then it'll report me, email me. Other
Okay,
stuff I'm
only
not worried about it.
okay. Only you are the person you will be taking care of all the thing, or any people are there.
I'm a IT director actually, so I have a 5 people working for me, but all this thing I manage this and I take care of that.
Okay. So you will be getting the workload and get it split to all of the five people, correct?
I I- I mean, I have a 5 people working for me, and they work in a different offices, a different
Location.
state, different location. Yeah.
Oh, so you have to manage all the thing. Different
Mm-hmm.
locations will totally different.
Mm-hmm.
If you near to yourself, it will ask them, and we have to finish. That is too tough. If it's different state, then it is too much tough. Correct?
In a different office, they have a different different environment.
Oh, okay.
So the other offices, I don't have the uh, VMware or the Hyper-V. Only one other offices I have, and that I manage remotely.
Oh, there, what is the only desktop? Correct? Only the desktop they will be taking care.
Most of them, yes. My admins,
Oh,
they take care most of the desktop and the Active Directory file server, creating a user accounts and groups and
okay.
giving
That
access.
that too you can able to do it in your office, right?
I can do
So
it, but I don't want to because otherwise I have to do my work too, right?
no,
Yeah.
no. I just asking in your location if you have one person, he can able to do it from centralized, right? For all
Yep,
the
yep,
location.
yep, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all we have a IP sec tunnel going on between all our 12 offices. So
They will be reducing.
my problem is, how can I tell how much memory is being used? Like I'm creating a guest
Yeah,
operating
correct.
system left and right? So how can I tell how much memory I
Here
have
you can
already used up?
able to see here only. I show you on the day, right? So you can see that view research distributed chart. In that cluster you can see. So you can be able to find out how much memory is available in each host and CPU. See, you can able to see this. Correct?
Yeah, but no. Okay, so on ESXi host, this is for host you're doing it?
Correct. Each host you can able to see the memory. Okay. In that
Okay.
60% if it's beyond, you should not be create any of the VM on that particular host.
More than
So this
50%. If
yeah,
it's
more than 50 or 60, max 60. That's it. You should not go beyond 60. You
okay.
can see the CPU, your memory. You can give the, it will show all the things
So why the other one doesn't have it, any?
because we just creating only one VM in that 110 only, not
Oh,
in the
okay.
11. So it will not give any information about 11. So it will give only the information 110. If it's
Oh,
VM
okay.
is available, then it will show. So here it will be show as a load balance.
Right. So why? your server is it's not on 110. How did you know it's on 110? The VM that you created.
Just click on this and go to summary. You can see that OS where it's created. That taken care by
Oh,
DRS I
okay.
told, right? So that's the thing I told.
It's automatically created.
Correct.
Took care the
DRS
host.
will correct. DRS will be doing that only I told, right? So
Mm-hmm.
initial placement. You remember initial placement,
Mm-hmm.
load balancing, power management I told, right? Concept.
Mm-hmm.
That initial placement it will be taken care. So that particular VM where it's need to go, you can able to see that one.
Hmm. This is totally with a lot of difference from Hyper-V.
That's why I told. Here it's in
Yes,
Hyper-V
it's
is totally
completely
different.
different. Hyper-V is totally different. I have to manually do it, specify it, and there is no monitoring. There is no. I cannot. I
That's
can
why
tell.
that's why the people never go to this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Hyper-V because it's too tough. Because if it goes down right, so
Mm-hmm.
automatically they is fully down. We cannot be able to manage because the top of the voice only the Hyper-V is there. That's the problem.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to have a OS if you don't want to. You can do bare metal too on a Hyper-V. But
Correct. But
for
normally
me,
they will
I
go.
wanted the OS so I can manage it because I'm not very expert on PowerShell.
Yeah,
Otherwise, you
that
have to
because
use it
me too.
PowerShell to do everything.
Me too. Me too. Because
Mhm.
I don't have because I want to learn it, but this is not a right time
There's
to
not
learn.
enough
Okay.
time, and I mean, whenever I need it, I just look for or search for the command that I need to use and done it.
Yeah, same thing. Because we cannot be able to study each and everything. So now
Yeah, yeah.
it's already tough for us. Our brain is not too much capable
Hmm.
nowadays.
So, what type of work do you do other than this? You have other job?
Yeah, I just working in serious actually.
Oh.
Cognizant as a manager, technical manager and management. Both the thing I just need to be taken care. Like you actually.
Hmm.
You are director. You are telling, but
Hmm.
so now I just working in Azure and AWS actually now.
Oh, you're working on Azure, huh?
Uh,
Like Azure better or the AWS?
both because I know already AWS.
Uh-huh.
So I just learning Azure actually now
Mhm.
because too tough for me now because as people right here, so everyone need to learn something because we need to go for safe because if no technology no then leave they are making us a layoff or something.
Oh, really?
No, really, yeah, here it's all the new guys are right, the freshers
Uh-huh.
or something. They are learning AWS and Azure actually,
Mm.
VMware. Because
Right.
nowadays the experience never count. The technology only it's getting count now.
Count, right? Because all new technology comes and there's like, do you know this? Do you know that? That's what
Uh,
I'm like I'm a manager, but a director, but I'm learning, still learning it. I'm
Yeah.
doing this one and then AWS as well, VMware
Okay.
and AWS, because Hyper-V I already have it in house and I use Azure. Little bit I know knowledge on Azure because I have a
Okay.
backup. I do backup on Azure cloud, and then I
Okay.
also have a Office 365 on my Azure cloud. So,
Okay. If you
so
have any document in Azure, can you just share me if you have any document?
I can download it for you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll mail you. But Microsoft has a lot of online class. You can take a free videos, tutorials.
Correct, but no time.
I know.
Because that's a problem for me because I just go roaming here and there. Because for me, it's travel. It's 1.5 hours from my home to the office actually.
How long it takes?
1 hour 30 minutes actually.
Oh my God.
So for me, travel around 3 hours. It will be even. So per day, nothing can be done.
Hmm.
That's why I cannot able to get up in the morning. You understand, right? So I'll be coming around 12 or 1 o'clock. So once I wake up, I saw that your message on 4:30 or something. Okay, let me sleep for 10 minutes. Means again, let's come back 6 o'clock.
No, but
So
see, my problem is too is like I'm a very
I
early
un-
person and
I understand. That's why I just want to finish now. That I don't want to delay or something. Because this class is only Saturday Sunday, right? Previously,
right. Yeah, yeah.
if it's Saturday Sunday, it will be going for long term
Long
actually.
time, right? About 2 months
So
or more.
now you are just finished within 1 month before itself, correct? With all the content.
Mm.
So you are just doing the practical in your home itself. It is well and good, right?
Yeah, I mean, I have a VMware environment at my work. I have a two installed, one on a Linux host and one on a Windows host.
Yeah, that's why you just done it all the thing, right? Whatever I done the practical, you also done. So parallelly,
Yeah,
that is
and
good.
I set it up another one. I have in my work environment on
Uh,
two different VMware, right? Two different
yeah, yeah,
place host. But then I also did it on my computer, just like you set it up. Everything I did it everything except the cluster because I don't have a more memory, so I'm kind of stuck on it. I only had a 16 gig memory. The CPU I have the hard disk I have a SSD drive, so it's very fast. Everything runs fine, smoothly, except I don't have more RAM, which I need to buy some.
yeah, yeah. So great. The cluster you need to know because since your environment does not have cluster, then that's good. So,
Mm.
but you have to know about that. What need to be there.
Mm. So the VMware has two exam I have to do, right? The foundation exam and the one of the other one, right?
Correct, 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 correct.
So what is the other exam requires? The foundation exam has all this what you went through, right?
Foundation is nothing but a simple question they will be asking for most of the thing they will. I have not done it to foundation because I just writing from 4.05 all the stuff, right? So
Hmm.
if you are writing new person, only the foundation will be there. That's
Yeah,
the
for
problem.
me it would be a foundation exam I have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
take.
exactly correct.
You're gonna
I'll
send me those questions. You found
yeah,
it?
I'll
Okay.
be having that one, so
Okay.
I'll be sending it.
And the other exam is the same material cover or just a little bit deeper or different?
Mm, which one? Sorry, I didn't get you.
Data center, the found so VCP 65. There are two exam, foundation exam, and there is a data center. I think.
The foundation they will be charged around 6,000 a year. So I'm not sure how much dollar because For exam, I sure that $250, I think, the
No,
VCT data center.
no, not the cost. I'm not worried about the cost. Material, what material does it cover?
No, all the thing. So whatever we learned, right?
The
But
same thing?
what same thing, but what happened, right?
Mm,
Normally the exam is totally different, here is totally different. Whatever we studied. So I never seen that. So same thing it will be come. Okay, only the 40% it will be there, and
mm,
surely 60% totally different. It will be like a twist in VMware, not like
mm,
a direct coaching.
mm,
You got it?
mm. What is saying at the bottom? Merge virtual machine, Windows 10.
No, it's migrating from because we done the V motion, right? So we just created. So the load balancing is happening because it's load balance, right?
Oh, I cannot hear you.
DRS.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
And so uh, that hello. Oh,
Hello? Hello?
hello.
Hi. Hi. Better now. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can able to hear. I don't know suddenly what's happened.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't able to hear you at all. You need to create a templates and save templates so it's easier to when you need to
Yeah,
install.
that's why. No, that's why I just want to show you that one. That is the last. That's why I just waiting. It's 9% need to be done. That's it.
No, after that it's gonna take some time too. 10-15 minutes, another.
No, it will not be. It will be very fast. Once the installation done, it take hardly because I just given 3 GB of RAM. Instead of they have made it as 2, I just make it as 3 now. That's why it is completed within this time. Otherwise, it is too much time it will take. Because I cannot able to give much RAM. I can have RAM, but processor I don't have. That's a problem.
So what was that migrating? Why it was migrating, or where to where it's migrating to?
So you can see this 111. Previously,
Oh,
what happened?
one
110.
110, right? Why it migrated
Ah,
from 110 to 111?
load balance. I told right. Load balance is open automatically. I told right. So we
Right.
just that's why I just load balance. See now it's came here.
Mm.
You got it.
Yeah, it automatically, but the has to be a some situation that say prompted say, okay, I am gonna move automatically there.
No, it will not migrate. That's why that option we have selected here. You got it. This option we already selected fully
Fully
automated.
automated. Okay.
The conservative access I told right. This is a recommended.
Mm.
So it will not wait. So whenever it's come peak, it automatically migrate. No need to wait for or something. That's
Mm.
why I told the Hyper-V, this type of things I don't. I think so. It will be available.
Mm. So Hyper-V is very way behind on a feature and functionality than what the VMware has.
Yeah.
If I'm creating a cluster, do I need the cluster on create a nick card for the cluster too, or no?
No, 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 no. Nothing is
Not
required.
just the okay.
Trump administrator to propose major changes in H-1B visas. Super.
More changes, huh?
I know because the Trump is want to make sure that the US people need to be work. No other people should
Hmm.
not be done.
Yep,
That's correct, right?
that's what he did on October with China too. So he put a tax on import export on China because a lot of goods comes from China in everywhere, right?
Mm,
So they wanted
mm.
to have American people buy from American company instead of China. So they're putting a lot of tax on it now.
That's good, right, for your thing. So all the people will
Good
be
for
getting the job.
economy, but the thing is, all the business people now, all everything, the price will go up on a goods because let's say I have a business, right? And I buy a
Mm,
lot of stuff from whatever whoever I buy it from, they are buying it
mm.
from China. So now they're gonna charge me more because they're gonna get
Okay.
to pay tax now.
Okay, I got it. Mm. Nothing can we do because he want to US employee need to be work. That's it. That is
Yep.
the main core for him.
Right. Yep.
So your sleeping time is going to be start, I think.
Yep. That's what I'm yawning right now. We're gonna
Just
have
give
to
me
do
bear
tomorrow
with
too.
for
But we
only
still have
5.
to do tomorrow too, because I have a lot of question.
Oh, tomorrow also. Okay.
Yeah. The
Because
networking
if
part I need to go over, and then the standard switch policy
okay.
and the PV LAN.
Okay, I didn't create that PV LAN. Okay, that's it. It's completed now. But if we clone, it will take much time. That's a problem for me. Because
Okay.
I need to power off. I need to power
Mhm.
off and do it. It will be very fast. If we go with the power on mode, it will take much time because I don't have the memory too.
All right.
Mm. I can make it that template. I can show you that how it's work. That's it. Because clone means I cannot able to do because I don't have much RAM, much
Mhm.
this thing.
So if you're not in a cluster, you cannot do template and snapshot. You can do template, right?
Whatever you can do. The cluster is nothing but the load balance.
Load
Okay.
balancing and HA, high availability.
Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, so I think we can make it tomorrow because
Mm-hmm.
since you want tomorrow, so I
Yeah.
we can able to complete tomorrow that template and douse whatever you want because the machine is ready, nothing need to be done.
Okay.
Tomorrow we need to power on and we can make it done. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, I just I just show you the VM tools. Okay, that alone
Mm-hmm.
I can show you. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just give me 2 minutes. I just show you where need to be done. Today a function, that's another issue. Saraswati Pujai today.
Oh
So
yeah, all the Dasera is coming soon.
yeah, correct. Today is a Dasara actually. It's
Oh,
going to be
it's in
complete
India.
tomorrow.
Oh, for us
Yeah.
it's tomorrow. So yeah,
So you basically are India in which state? Punjab or something? Or
Gujarat.
okay, Modi.
Yep. I've been in US for 32 years now.
32. Wow.
Mm.
So once you're married, you just gone there.
I was in high school. Then I came here.
Okay.
I did
How
my
many
study
children?
here too.
Okay. So you never come to India once for a while or something, right?
Yeah, every 6, 7 years maybe.
Oh, 7 years. Oh my God. At least for 2 years you never come to. So it will definitely you can able to see much difference then.
Yeah, I was there like last year. I came. It was all every time I come, I get shocked with the price. It's everything is so
Uh,
pricey now there.
it's all because of Modi. Because now everything is coming to the thing. Like Trump, he is making it here. The
Hmm.
petrol price is going up and everything is going up. Nothing can be done.
Yeah, I
I don't know.
hear that petrol prices is going very high.
I means so totally you want to control his whole state by him itself. That's not a good way.
Mm.
That is another problem. Whatever the thing right, he is
Mm-hmm.
making it. Making me Amit Shah is right. He is working and getting that people actually.
Oh.
Like this is going on. India is too because there is in 4 years there is no new company is coming,
Mm-hmm.
no improvement, no job. So all people are. St- I don't know how they will be getting the job. I don't know. It's totally tough for us. The tax not increased, nothing can be done.
Hmm.
So we need to right click and install and upgrade VM2. This option you
Right
have to select.
click guest.
No, what whenever you just having the VM, right? Just right
Yeah.
click, guest, install VM2. It will be like CD-ROM. It will be there. So just double click on that. You will be
Mm-hmm.
getting the installation. That's it. Or another way we can do. Just right click and edit
Settings.
settings. Okay, in that CD-ROM,
Mm-hmm.
you just need to browse this thing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and yes, so you can see the data store, right? In that you can able to data store one. So no data store. Yeah, VM image is there, right? Once you go
Mm-hmm.
into the VM images tool ISO, you can able to see here Windows. You got it. Just
Mm-hmm.
click OK and mount it. Again, the CD-ROM it will be pop up and we can able to install.
What was the ISO name?
It's a Windows ISO. I just show you.
Windows, which
Either way you can able to do. You can that way or this way, whatever you want.
mm,
You can see the Windows means Windows, Linux means Linux, network means network. Here you can able to have the Windows.
Windows ISO.
Solar is or something. Whatever you want, you can able to make it.
So let's say there are new version of a VM. When I update it, do I need to update the all the guest, right? For
Correct.
VM.
First thing we need to go for vCenter, then
Mm-hmm.
ESS host, then VM. Okay. So right now the VM is version 11, right? If you are just
Yeah.
having turn, so just right click, it's power off. You can see the hardware upgrade should be available. I can show you this thing. I just put the dummy VM. Okay, you can
Mm-hmm.
see that one. I think it will not be here. So I just go with the custom itself because it will be created as a 11 itself. I just put in dummy. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's a right click. You can see the upgrade.
Upgrade
You got
virtual
it.
hardware. Oh.
So now the version is 10.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the version 10. Okay. Right
Oh.
click, upgrade virtual hardware. Just click yes. It will show 11. You can able to see the task here. You can
Mm-hmm.
see the version now. You got it.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the upgrade we can able to do. I think what hopefully you will be getting all the things right now. It's a fully concept
Mm-hmm.
80% now.
Yeah, 80%.
At least for net 10% for
Yeah.
the network. I just
Yeah,
making
the
a
network way is the one that's critical to me, and I wanted to
tomorrow it will
understand.
be finished. Yeah. Tomorrow it will be for 1 hour it will take. So we will finish out tomorrow.
Are we still doing we're upgrading the vCenter, the ESXi from 5.5 to 6.5 or 6.7? No?
Which one?
Remember you said at the beginning where you said I'll show you how to upgrade at the end. ESXi host.
No, first we need to go for vCenter, then ESH, then Auto Ocean and VMware tools. Like that we have to go.
Even though so you have to always do vCenter first
Yeah, that is the
and then
one, right?
do
Yeah.
ESXi host.
No, next ESH source.
Okay,
So
and
first,
then
because the vCenter is the main, right? So if
right.
you have ESS source is 5, the vCenter is 5.5, then you cannot able to
You
go.
cannot connect, right?
Yeah,
So you do vCenter first, then ESXi host, and then guest,
yeah,
right?
correct.
It's almost 10 o'clock, my friend. It's almost took more than an hour just to install. It's
So
5
only
minute
you
thing.
just,
It's just a
no,
lot
you're
of
just
times.
bearing with me at least one day, right? Not all day. Correct.
Mhm.
So it's all done. Only one day you're just spending with me, at least for class, not for anything. Thanks for that. Because again, it will be taking too much for me, right? Again, I have to get up, and for you also, it's tough for us, right?
Yeah,
Again, you
because
are,
like I said, I have a business at the evening. I go to work in the morning, and evening I
that's why
have
I
a
don't want
business.
to. That's why I don't want to trouble you also in much. So as much we can able to complete, then also you can able to start working for you, right?
Mm.
Yeah. That's why I thought of making it our daily because once I wake up, I just thought of half an hour spend some class. It will be well and good, but your sleeping time is night. That's a problem for me. I know that I never know that it's sleeping time 9. Actually, some of the people they will be go for sleep at 10 o'clock, right?
Or no, people who like my husband, he doesn't sleep until midnight or
Oh,
1:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. But it depends. Everybody has different schedule, you know. I get up
uh,
early, gets up late, so I get up early, so need to sleep early. Otherwise, I wouldn't be up for work.
that's work, and you have to cook all the stuff, correct?
Yeah, I have my in-law, so they help me.
Oh,
Mm.
fine. That too, it's good for you.
Mm.
Balance.
It's 7 o'clock. What time you go to work?
Today's leave, so nothing.
Oh.
So at least I will be sleep
Mm.
because for 1 week I didn't sleep probably only 4 hours. So at least I have to sleep today.
Mm.
Otherwise, my body will gone. Wow.
Oh my God, finally.
Uh,
You're gonna have to enter it. Or do this later. You can just click on do this later.
sorry. That option I just didn't see.
Mm. It's Windows 10. It's gonna go through another setup, all the security and the account creation and whatnot, the privacy settings.
It's too tough for us because it's totally different, right? So Windows HP is usable. Now it's
Mm.
all cloud. Next, the people will be robo, I think. So I need a
Mm.
coffee. The robo will come and have the coffee, I think. See, really, it will be happen.
It's
Surely,
it's happening. It's already there, and some of the company here they do AI, and
they'll ask for coffee, then the robo will come. Surely, it will be there. So there is no ma'am. People will be all machine language. It will be there. So,
right now they have a machine, right? One
oh,
of the company who created the machine, right? And
okay,
you go to the machine and you ask, I wanted this, this, and this, and it puts it in your cup and you just drink it. And they also have a machine for the
great,
water. You ask, say, I wanted this kind of water or the organic water or this kind of water or this flavored water, and it adds it in and fills the bottle for you.
great. Then fine. So no people will not be there. So everything it's manual. Everything is automated.
Mm-hmm.
So no work should be there, right?
Mm-hmm. The thing is, getting there, somebody has to put the brain to make that machine and put it out there, right?
The
Program
brain
it.
is ours. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
Already the brain is there for us. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll be putting all the stuff. Like Indran, right? Indran 2 it's coming. So like Robo. You'll be watching movie or what? Only the in English or Hindi only,
No,
right?
no, Hindi. I was just watching the Hindi movie. Yeah, which one watched yesterday? Like yesterday, I watched uh, s- uh, the one that just came out,
I never
Andhadhun.
understand. Okay,
Andhadhun.
I never understand the Hindi actually.
Oh, okay. I only
That's all.
watch Hindi because I don't understand the other languages. So just the Hindi movie I watch. There's a website you can just watch it like right after it released. You can just go and watch.
Oh, great. At least we have time. Uh, So it's done. So I think you can able to sleep off. You know right how to install this thing, correct?
Yeah, I wrote
So
it down. Guest install.
yeah. So the machine is ready. Tomorrow we'll make it as this machine as a template and deploy. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So this thing it will be done tomorrow because it's installing update or something.
Yeah, that like I told you, it's gonna take so long. Because it's installing updates. So just
Yeah.
another half an hour or so.
I
Alrighty.
don't know. Yeah. Tomorrow installing update. Oh, we'll tell you when we ready. Okay. I don't think it will be ready. It
Not
take
anytime
much
soon. Okay.
because it's connected to the net, right? So already the
So
patch will be
it's
going
gonna
to be running.
right, yeah, it's gonna download all the patches from the beginning.
That's why if
Everything.
it's not no net, it will automatically it will search and it will be off. So now
Right.
it's
Yep,
net
yep.
is going on. So
Okay.
it will take much time. Okay, see you tomorrow. Again, I just ping you. Once it's done, then you just connect it. Okay?
Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.